Get your own maintenance and repairs done faster with Cat self-service options. Have what you need for your DIY service right at your fingertips. With a simple online purchasing experience available 24/7 on parts.cat.com/SSO. Our flexible self-service options cover everything from planned maintenance to low-complexity repairs for a wide range of machine families and models. All options conveniently package genuine Cat parts with recommended tooling and easy-to-follow service instructions that get your machine up and running for primed maximum uptime. To help minimize downtime, parts.cat.com/SSO offers fast, online, self-service option pricing and ordering that makes it easy to choose the parts and tooling you need and avoid paying for what you don't. Order in person or online, where you can select to pick your customized SSO order or have it delivered right to your job site or shop. Fast. Available anytime, anywhere at your convenience. And if you end up needing technical support, all Cat service solutions include access to experts. No matter what level of technical know-how you've got in-house, our package solutions give you what you need to make efficient, lasting repairs that keep your machines moving and your timelines tight at an affordable cost. Cat self-service options. Complete solutions available 24/7 on parts.cat.com/SSO. It's DIY maintenance and repairs done right.